Hi guys, welcome to another series of Ebony Foods. On today's series, I will be sharing with you how to make Chinchin. Let's get started. Firstly, I added 2 cups of flour, 2 spoons of sugar, pinch of salt, 1 spoon of butter, 2 spoons of milk, half 4 spoons of baking powder. Mix properly, and after everything is well incorporated, I will add 1 egg and I'll continue mixing, and I will be adding low quantity of water, just little quantity of water, and I'll mix till everything is well incorporated. After mixing this bowl, I'll take it to a flattened surface to mix properly till I have a fluffy dough. So I rub the surface and I take the dough and rub. I'll let it sit for about 10 minutes in a bowl. Cover for it to sit. This is what I have after 10 minutes, and I'll be cutting it out in small quantity to roll it out. I'll be using my cutting board and rolling pin to roll it out, to flatten it. Please make sure you have extra flour set aside for the flouring of the chinchin, so that the chinchin will not look saggy together. So I'm using this pizza cutter to cut it, since I don't have a chinchin cutter, and this is much more easier than blade or knife. Please, you can add nutmeg to your mixture before adding water. I forgot to add nutmeg in this mixture, but it's still the same. It doesn't matter if you add it or not, it just brings out the smells much better. So I'll go ahead with the same procedure with the rest of the dough till I exhaust all the dough that I have. So after I'm done mixing all the doughs, cutting it out, I'll be frying the chinchin, and this is what I have for like 2 cups of flour. I use the entire flour that I use is 3 cups. I use 2 for the dough, and I have 1 cup left for flour. I put in have my oil heated already on low medium heat. Fry your chinchin. Please do not put too much in the oil because it swell, and you don't want to overfeed the oil. So you fry till you have a golden brown color. Please do not over fried it, because once it is over fried, it becomes dark. Once you have a golden brown color, please take it out immediately. Your chinchin is ready. Proceed with the same procedure with the rest of the unfried chinchin, and your chinchin is ready. You can serve and enjoy with any desire. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.